Okay, here we go. So these are the two screws at the base of the radio where the battery port is. Just going to loosen these up. You don't even need to take them all the way out. In fact, that one I took out a little too far. So there is the battery tab. Just basically comes right out. And you can see there's the spring right there. So I'm going to send you the spring. If you look inside the tab, there's a little hole there. So you'll just insert the tab into the spring. Put the tab back in. Do this over a large table, well forward of it. This way, if anything goes flying, you just need to make sure that this is separated enough so that the tab goes back in. The tab's in. There you go. Spring action. And then, whoops, push down and tighten it back up. That's simple. I think that took all of a minute and 20 seconds.